Hello dear learners, so today's problem 1877 minimize maximum pair sum in array. So let's start the read description and then we will understand the example. After that we do the problems. Okay. And the pair of sum a comma b is equal to a plus b means one pair select करना है ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी और उस सम का उस पेयर का सम है वह ए प्लस बी होगा एज यू नो दैट द maximum pair sum is the largest pair sum in a list of pair means maximum pair sum select a pairs if any pair has a maximum sum then is the largest pair sum of list of pair. For example, if we have some pairs 1 5 2 3 4 4 then the maximum pair sum would be 1 5 plus 2 3 plus 4 4 is 6 5 and 8. 5 1 6 2 3 5 and 4 4 8. It means 6 5 8 and the maximum of this is 8. So given array nums of even length and pair of element of nums into n by 2. If there are n number of number present in nums then pair are n by 2. It's common. Each element of nums is exactly one pair and यानी each and every elements pair में select होगा only one pair only one times. The maximum pair sum is minimized and the and sum let any sum take n numbers every times the sum pair is minimized. Return the minimized maximum pair sum. Maximum pair sum है उसको minimize करके return करना after optimally paired up the elements. Let's understand the example. This is input array 3 5 2 3. If we select pair from this, how this pair is selected? And explain if we select the pair 3 5 and 2 3 then 5 3 is 8 3 2 is 5 but we want the pair which has minimized so we want so first of all sorted the array for minimize like 3 2 3 3 5 then we select first and last because sum of first and last the sum is minimized ये सबसे छोटा होगा this is smallest and this is largest this is smallest this is largest this is smallest this is largest then the sum is minimized. Explain the elements 3 3 5 2 then same time this first of all sorted the array then select this one pair two pair three pair and the return the maximum sum. Okay. Constructs क्या है n is nums of length n is between 2 and 10 to the power 5 and nums of I is less than 10 to the power 5. Okay, now we will understand the problem in copy and then we will solve the code. Let's understand by the example first given is nums 3 5 2 3. First of all we need to sort the array. When we sort this array this become 2 3 3 5. After this we select first and last then pair becomes 2 5 3 3 then 2 5 is and let get sum of this pair 2 and 5 is 7 3 and 3 is 6 and which have maximum value then this becomes answer. Let the example number second 3 5 4 2 4 6. First of all we need to sort this array 2 3 4 4 5 6. Now we will select first and last. Then pair becomes 2 and 6 3 and 5 4 and 4 in which get sum 6 to 8 3 5 8 4 4 8 and all are equal so answer becomes 8. Okay, thank you. Now we will do the code. Now start with code. First of all sort the array. Sort the array. Array arrays dot sort. It is a built-in function for sorting an array in Java. Nums. Okay. Then we will initialize some like int I from 0 and int j I and j is nums dot length minus 1 nums dot length minus 1. This is the last element and also we will select the max int maxsum equal to integer max value max integer dot max value. Okay, maximum हो गया. Then what will we do? We will select I condition loop while I is less than j. When I is less than j, then what will we do? Int sum. It is maximum and this is sum. Int sum equal to array of I and array of j. Oh, sorry, nums of I plus nums of j. Okay, after this increase the I and decrease the j. Okay, and what will the next condition? This is happen after this. If 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 sum is greater than maximum, if sum is greater than maximum, then if sum greater than maximum, then max sum becomes sum. Max sum becomes sum. If sum greater, then maximum becomes sum. And I think this is completed. And after this, we will return sorry, maximum. Let run this code. Sorry, int j is nums dot, oh, spelling ch. It's nothing, only nums dot length. Oh, sorry, this is small, some syntax error. Integer. What wrong answer? Sorry, max के लिए I think for initializing max it is min value. So code is correct. Okay. So this is completed, and today's problem I think is very easy, but it seems to be medium. So you can do this problem and check out all problem if you wanted to do that. Okay, thanks, enjoy.